In this module, we shall assess NeMS coverage of contents, the most suitable resources that we have used and we are planning to use, which include the textbooks, the reference books, and the online resources. In order to understand which books we are consulting and which books we would be consulting in the future, let's look at the coverage. The subject of NeMS assumes that we are going to go through well-known mathematical models, equations, and forms. As far as the implementation of these models is concerned, we would be using widely available simulation tools and codes which are available for students as well as professionals for reuse. And we are going to explore their interrelationship. It is important to mention here that NeMS does not cover the derivation of mathematics from the scratch. It means that the students are not expected to delve in mathematical treatment beyond the requirement. Likewise, the students although have done a course in programming, but it is not expected that students would be savvy and dexterous in extensive programming. Until now, we have touched upon the basics of NeMS. The books that we have referred to so far are Network Modeling and Simulation by Mohsen Guizani et al., An Introduction to Network Modeling and Simulation for the Practicing Engineer by Jack Burbank, Modeling and Simulation Fundamentals by John A. Skolsky. It is interesting that all these books have been published by John Wiley and Sons. In order to proceed further in this course, it is important to identify the roadmap. We are going to spend next couple of lectures on learning how to program in OMNeT++ simulation environment. For that, there is a book which I refer to the students to begin with for starters. It is Learning OMNeT++ by Thomas Chamberlain. There is a wide pool of resources available online on the OMNeT++ website as well as at other places, including the manual, the install guide, the user guide. And of course, the IDE, the Integrated Developer Environment of Eclipse, has extensive support available online. These are some additional resources which the students can explore, including the TikTok tutorial. We'd also be referring to this tutorial from time to time. The official OMNeT++ manual. The INET framework for OMNeT++ is also available online. The wiki page of OMNeT++ and the source codes both in C++ and NED are available on Mixim SourceForge website.